Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, reporting from India Mobile Conference 2025. And today I have Gaurav Basu with me from VVDN. Hi, sir.
Hi, hi.
How are you?
Very good, very good. Thank you. Thanks for your
Thank
time.
you. So, can you brief me about your company?
Sure. So VVDN is Voice Video Data Networking. We are an end-to-end service provider, right? We're a team of 12,000 team members today. We have 5,000 engineers and who are involved in core engineering activities into product development, high-tech, software, hardware, mechanical, thermal, RF experts, and 7,000 team members focusing on the manufacturing side. So essentially, what we bring to the table is a end-to-end ecosystem, heavily backward integrated, completely independent in all sorts of deliveries to key customers like HPE and Ericsson and Asus and others globally across different industry sectors like IT, data center, automotive, defense, aerospace, medical, and also wireless center.
And when you started this company,
We started in 2007, right? We started in San Jose, California. The founders came back to India and set up the complete operations here. Today, we are spread across 11 engineering centers in India, one center in Hanoi, and 8 manufacturing centers in India, and one in USA, and another one coming up in Abu Dhabi in UAE.
that's great. So, what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So the products that you would see around, right, they are, so number one is, so we are a services company, right? So we don't take a product or a solution to the market ourselves, right? So customers like HP would come and, or Ericsson would come and engage us either in engineering or manufacturing or both to take their products. And the products would be like servers, antennas, radios for telecom and networking, switches, even automotive products like in-vehicle infotainment systems, EV charging systems like we do with Mahindra, and also a lot of automation and solutions. Yeah.
So, are you dealing with the international markets as well?
Oh, absolutely. Our largest market is North America, right? US and Canada put together. Second revenue center is India, but even in India, we find ourselves mostly servicing global companies, right, for their India demands. And then close third is Japan and Korea put together, and Europe and Middle East, Australia are upcoming markets for
That's
us.
great. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your
Thank you
time
so
with us.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.